Hello, dear aviation enthusiasts. This is Professor Avram Aerospace, and good to know in aviation. Our today's discussion is about ETOPS definition, and we check FAA Advisory Circular 120-42B. Now, let us open our book of ETOPS and start. Now, first, let's read the foreword of the AC120-42B document. This advisory circular provides certificate holders with guidance for obtaining operational approval to conduct extended operations or ETOPS under Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, 14 CFR, Part 121, Section 121.161. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, may authorize ETOPS with two-engine airplanes over a route that contains a point farther than 60 minutes flying time from an adequate airport at an approved one-engine inoperative cruise speed under standard conditions in still air. Adequate airport is defined in Part 121, Section 121.7 and Appendix 1 of this AC. The FAA may also authorize ETOPS with passenger-carrying airplanes with more than two engines over a route that contains a point farther than 180 minutes flying time from an adequate airport at an approved one-engine inoperative cruise speed under standard conditions in still air. This AC provides guidance for obtaining authorization to conduct operations under Part 121 in polar areas as well. Now, let's move to the Chapter 2, Background on ETOPS, Section 203A of the AC120-42B document, that is called Extended Operations, and find out what ETOPS stands for, as per this AC. And quote, A. Since 1985, the acronym ETOPS has been defined as Extended Twin-Engine Operations and has been limited to Part 121 airplanes with only two engines. Current regulations have extended these applications to all passenger-carrying airplanes operating in both 14 CFR Parts 121 and 135, and the acronym has now been redefined to mean Extended Operations. Let's reread it again, this part. And the acronym ETOPS has now been redefined to mean Extended Operations. This is to acknowledge the similarity of certain long-range passenger-carrying operations of all airplanes operating today, and the common issues that impact such operations. End of the quote. To summarize, as per AC 120-42B An acronym ETOPS stands for Extended Operations. Again, thank you very much for watching our videos. Please support us. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Buy our books about aviation reliability, which now available on Amazon.com. We are planning to have a lot of interesting contents on aircraft reliability, aircraft safety, etc. Again, thank you very much for your support. See you next time. Bye.